So I've been trying to make more content for everybody. I've got these awesome motorcycles, and when I got them, I had intentions to do videos with them all the time and stuff and share them with everybody online because I'm really blessed to have such wonderful toys at my disposal. Not everybody gets an opportunity to have stuff like this. The number of people that comment on my YouTube videos and Instagram stuff that are just, hey man, you've got a dream garage. It's awesome. It's my dream bike, dream car, whatever it might be. And I'm just a normal guy. I mean, I'm not rich. I'm not an influencer. I don't have that kind of money. I work full time, but I haven't put any videos out in a while because every time I go ride or work in the garage, I'm doing it for me. So today I'm going to share the Fireblade with you guys. So I went riding this morning. It's raining right now. In fact, it just got over a massive thunderstorm, which wasn't very fun. But I recently re-geared the Fireblade from the 1643 factory gearing to what everybody else recommended, like Brand Tuning and stuff. BT Moto, they were really adamant that the 1544, excuse me, I've got the wheels off the Ducati here. It's getting new tires. They said that the 1544 was a great gear ratio. With the 15.5 rev limiter, this thing will still hit like 203, 205 miles an hour at the top of 6th gear. But it is just so much peppier out of the corners. It is unbelievable. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. I also have a couple other little things coming for this. Oh yeah, anniversary edition. So, like I said, I got a couple other things coming for this motorcycle. Someday I'd really like to do a lightweight set of carbon fiber wheels like the Ducati came with. I think they'll make a huge difference, usually saving about 40% of rotating weight on that. But the other things I've got is, instead of this huge Akrapovich, I should have just flipped the camera around. There we go. This huge Akrapovich muffler on here. It has the full exhaust system from Akrapovich. I ordered a used SC Project CRT slip-on that is a 60 millimeter inside diameter for the inlet. So it should theoretically fit on here. Might have to custom make a bracket or something for it. But this bike sounds incredible. It's a little too quiet for my taste. I really want to hear this World Superbike homologated machine really rip. So anyways, I apologize. I haven't posted anything in a long time and shared anything with y'all. The Ducati, like I said, the wheels are at the shop right now getting some new tires. Hopefully pick those up first thing tomorrow morning and we can get that thing back out on the road. And I've got some lower foot pegs for the Fireblade coming. This thing is so aggressive in its ergonomics that it's got me folded up like a pocket knife every time I sit on it. And it makes it really hard to get my hips off the seat and get my butt down next to the bike to create enough counterweight when I'm steering through the corners. I'm able to do it, but it's not super comfortable. So hopefully the foot pegs help, and the new exhaust is going to be great. So anyways, I'm just rambling now. I will try and get some video on board. I need to get a new camera chin mount for my new helmet. I've been rocking a Shark helmet lately over my AGV. I can see way better out of it when I'm in a full tuck. The AGV, kind of the brow, I don't know if it's super thick or if it's really low, what it is about that helmet, but I get down into a tuck and I can't see fucking shit. So the Shark helmet, awesome. Way more aerodynamic, way quieter, way more comfortable. It's a lot lighter and I can see. So If you're looking for a helmet, I highly recommend Shark.